Hi again. At this point, you should have watched the very quick video about the assignment for this week. Now I'm going to talk just about the portfolios that we will be creating. The idea here is that you are taking everything that we have done in the course so far and you are putting it into a digital program. That can be Carbon Made if you are using that one. It can be whatever blog platform you've chosen, or basically whatever you have found useful, you can use, and it's just a matter of putting everything in there. Now make sure for this portfolio that you have everything there. The vast majority of the time, if a student does not do well on the final portfolio, which is a huge chunk of our grade, it means that they missed something, that they left something out, some assignment, some reflection. Every portfolio should have 8 assignments in it. We've been working throughout the semester. We've done a ton of different things. 5 of these assignments were already in your midterm portfolio. All right, so here are your assignments. The first one was week 3, and it was the personal essay. The second assignment was the brochure. That was what we did during week 5. The third assignment is my first job essay. That you can find under week 6. The fourth assignment was the first job ad you did. That was on your dream job. And the fifth assignment is the second job ad that you did. That was on your first job. So those 2 job ads, so the one on your dream job and the one on your first job, were done in week 7 as a part of the Proctor U exam. If you need those for any reason at all, please send me an email. I can send you your answer to those brochure questions. Now, those assignments were already included in the midterm portfolio. Now we are only adding for the final portfolio a couple new ones. So one of the ones that we are adding, and this is the 6th assignment in the overall portfolio, is the letter to the editor. For this, you chose a topic that you were passionate about, and you wrote what was essentially a mini persuasive essay in which you worked through statistics and any other reasons that supported your idea. All right, then the other thing we are adding for the final portfolio, this is assignment number 7, is the journalistic profile. These are what we did this past week. So you chose a leader in your field, you researched about them, and you created a story about them. The 8th thing that you are adding, and this is totally new for this week, is the final reflection. If you go into Canvas, you will see under the Required Resources tab for week 14 that there is a document that gives you a couple of things to think about with the final portfolio. All right, so fill that out and just send it into the portfolio itself. So you should have 8 assignments overall, including the ones that you had in the midterm portfolio. Make sure each and every assignment has 3 things. The first thing is a 1-paragraph reflection on the assignment. The goal of these reflections is to really think about what we learned about ourselves as writers. You can write about the strengths and weaknesses of that assignment, or what you would have done differently. Basically, all I'm looking for here is that you are slowing down and thinking about what you learned about yourself as a writer as you went along and completed that assignment. The second thing you should have for each and every of the 8 assignments is an image. Something that seems appropriate. You can do this super quickly. I just want you to use a visual to draw your reader in. And then the third thing, and this is the easiest of all to include with each assignment in the portfolio, is the assignment itself. All right, so again, 8 assignments, and each assignment should have 3 things in it. If you have any questions about this, please send me an email or send me a message as soon as you possibly can.